Have you ever wondered whether the moon, our celestial companion, holds secrets behind its glowing facade? Just imagine, what if this age-old beacon of the night sky, the muse of poets, the guide for sailors, and the symbol of love and longing, is not as opaque as it seems? What if it's more akin to a colossal cosmic lantern, subtly illuminating our nights with its borrowed brilliance? Now let's ponder upon this. The moon's surface reflects sunlight, yes. But what if there's more than just reflection at play? What if our lunar companion, like an ethereal phantom, is more transparent than we've ever believed? Imagine the dark spots we see. Are they truly lunar Maria? Or could they be cosmic shadows cast by objects beyond our sight? As we delve into the mysteries of the universe, remember this: science is but a candle in the dark, ever revealing, ever questioning. But what if our understanding of the moon is not as solid as we think? Let's imagine for a moment that the moon is a transparent entity, a stage for celestial characters like Jupiter and Zeus. Picture the Roman god Jupiter, the king of the gods, the ruler of the sky and thunder, stepping onto this ethereal stage. He's a sight to behold, with lightning crackling in his fists and a cloak of clouds swirling around him. Jupiter, in all his celestial majesty, claims the moon is but a window to the universe, a transparent lens through which we gaze upon the cosmos. Now let's spin the globe and travel to the realm of Greek mythology. Enter Zeus, the Greek counterpart to Jupiter, equally formidable and commanding. Zeus, the god of the sky, weather, thunder, lightning, law, and fate, steps onto our imagined lunar stage. He holds a different theory, insisting the moon is not transparent, but a celestial mirror reflecting the light of the sun. Here we are, caught in a cosmic debate between two mighty gods, each wielding their thunderbolts and theories with equal fervor. It's a celestial clash of titans, with the moon as their battleground and us, mere mortals, as their captive audience. But what if the moon is neither a window nor a mirror? What if it's a cosmic chameleon, changing its nature based on who's looking? Perhaps to Jupiter it's a window, and to Zeus a mirror. Or maybe, just maybe, it's a cosmic joke, a trickster entity that loves to keep us guessing. Now, isn't that a thought? Two gods, both mighty and revered, bickering over the nature of our humble moon. It's a cosmic comedy of errors, a celestial sitcom, if you will, yet it's this very humor that adds a pinch of levity to our quest for understanding the universe. As Jupiter and Zeus argue over the moon's transparency, we find ourselves questioning established beliefs. What does the moon represent to us? Is it a window, a mirror, or something entirely different? Perhaps the answer lies not in the moon itself, but in our willingness to question, explore, and imagine. After all, isn't that the essence of scientific inquiry? Now, what if the mighty Thor decided to test the moon's transparency with his powerful hammer? Picture this: the Norse god of thunder, Thor, renowned for his strength and courage, decides to take a swing at the moon with his legendary hammer, Mjolnir. This isn't just any hammer, mind you. Mjolnir, forged by the dwarves Brokkr and Sindri, is a weapon so mighty it can level mountains. But what could it do to our beloved moon, you ask? Well, let's delve into that, shall we? The moon, our celestial neighbor, is a dense ball of rock and metal. Its surface, contrary to popular belief, isn't transparent or even translucent. It's opaque, and it's covered in a layer of powdery dust known as regolith. It reflects sunlight, which is why we can see it shining brightly in the night sky. So, if Thor were to give the moon a good whack with Mjolnir, he'd probably just kick up a whole lot of lunar dust. The moon wouldn't shatter or turn transparent. It'd just get a new crater courtesy of our Norse friend. That's because the moon's dense, rocky composition isn't something you can simply hammer through. But let's not forget we're talking about Thor here, a god with a hammer that can control thunder and lightning. So maybe, just maybe, that hammer strike could create one heck of a light show on the lunar surface. Lightning on the moon? Now that would be a sight to behold. Of course, this is all just playful speculation. We're not suggesting you go out and start hammering away at the moon. That's a job best left to the gods. But it does bring us to an important point. The moon isn't transparent. It's a solid, tangible object, just like Earth. It has its own unique composition, density, and ability to reflect light. Understanding these aspects helps us gain a better appreciation of our celestial companion. Though Thor's hammer may not reveal the moon's secrets, our exploration sheds new light on this celestial mystery. So, after our celestial debate with Jupiter, Zeus, and Thor, where do we stand on the moon's transparency? Well, we've certainly taken a grand tour through the cosmos, haven't we? We've rubbed shoulders with the mighty gods of Rome, Greece, and the Norse pantheon, and we've pondered one of the universe's most intriguing questions. Is the moon transparent? Now, it's important to remember, we're not just talking about whether you can see through the moon like a pane of glass. No, sir. We're exploring the concept of transparency in a broader sense. We're asking if the moon is a cosmic chameleon, changing its appearance based on the forces acting upon it. Could it be that the moon, our constant companion in the night sky, is not as it seems? This isn't about debunking established facts or stirring up conspiracy theories. No. It's about the spirit of scientific inquiry. It's about asking questions, challenging assumptions, and seeking the truth, no matter how strange or unexpected it might be. As we've seen with our celestial debate, even the gods themselves have different perspectives on the matter. And that's the beauty of science, isn't it? It's a never-ending journey of discovery. We humans, with our insatiable curiosity, are always pushing the boundaries of knowledge, always striving to understand the world around us. And in this grand cosmos of knowledge, we are but humble explorers, guided by the light of curiosity. So, where does this leave us with the moon's transparency? Well, we may not have a definitive answer, but that's okay, because in the end, it's not about finding concrete answers. It's about asking the right questions. It's about sparking curiosity and igniting the imagination. Although we may not have concrete answers, we have stirred curiosity, a force far more powerful. In the grand cosmos of knowledge, we are but explorers, forever seeking the truth.